Hi everyone, welcome to another collab, this time with the company paintsomeway. All of the links will be in the description and everything that you need to know. So paintsomeway has sent me two items. One, it's this pack of 4 floss holders, but I thought that I had asked for the one that has like cat silhouettes on them instead of the symbols, but you know, maybe I did it wrong, but they do have the cat ones. So each of them holds 20 colors, so 2, 4, 6, 80 colors in here. And now, as for the kit, I have seen this one on the Stitching with Laura channel. I am going to add her in the description because she already has more of this collection, but this was the one that I fell in love with, and paintsomeway have it. It is the cats. So I think that Laura first showed this one and I had to have it. So I'm so happy that paintsomeway actually have them. This is an 11 count, 40 by 56 centimeters, and the paper shard, it is super clear, and this kit has 44 colors. It's a really beautiful image. So in the kit you have a little tool baggie, and this one has a different image. It's like a tiger. I had to pause the video for a moment, but hopefully, yeah, I hope it's okay. So as I was saying, this is a different image. It's a tiger, but yes, you have all the usuals inside. I use these little baggies to store my leftover diamonds from diamond painting, and to have like a stash. I put just one color in one of these baggies, and then yes, I create like a storage. Yes, I really like these baggies. So next we do have the canvas. I am still filming with my hand because I'm hoping that maybe today or even tomorrow my new phone holder will come finally. So I noticed that the fabric here, it's a little cut a little bit of the image, but as long as the printing of the symbols are correct, I don't really mind that. This is it's going to be very colorful. The symbols look awesome, and they look very clear. Yeah, I was just checking, but yes, it looks awesome. And as for the others from this collection, I think I'm just gonna get this one. It was my favorite, but you can check it out. With the link of this kit, you can just like put it to the side the image, and then you have the other options. Just be careful that you, on the bottom of the image, you choose the actual item that you want, otherwise you might end up with a different one, so just be careful with that. Now the threads, oh hold on, I forgot to unroll them. Okay, I'm back. And this is our palette. So they are very colorful. And on this side, and we have an extra, just one, but still. So it is really okay. It is 310. Very happy when I get extras. But this has so many colors, so these are our items from paintsomeway. I am going to use these right now because I received something and I'm just so happy about it. One of my orders has arrived, so if you want to know what it is, just watch my vlog. I don't know when I'm going to upload it, but yes. So thank you so much, paintsomeway, for all these lovely items. I really loved it. I cannot wait to get to this one. It's so cute and so colorful. And yes, thank you to all of you that are watching. And for now is everything, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.